B team is right.
Fox 17 meteorologist Greg Bobos here, taking a look at a forecast for you here where we have a few things to talk about here when it comes to the potential for flooding going into tomorrow, and then also some new updates to any severe weather that's possible for us in the forecast. Taking a look, flood watch in effect midnight tonight all the way through tomorrow and noon on your Sunday. Areas north and west of Nashville that were in the circle you just saw, best chance for flooding. We've lowered some rainfall totals in our southeastern counties to 1 to 2 inches in our green areas. Yellow shaded areas 2 to 3 inches, and then 3 to 4 inches plus. There could be a few areas a little bit higher than that. Clarksville, Camden, Paris, Cadiz, Kentucky. You get up toward Hopkinsville in Kentucky. But here's the thing. We've lowered our rainfall totals in a few areas, which means we have less hours worth of rainfall tomorrow, which also means that we have the chance for the atmosphere to get woken up during the day, and we could bring a better chance for severe weather late afternoon and really through the evening hours into the first half of tomorrow. Rain starts after midnight. Here's 1 a.m. tonight into tomorrow, and then the rain will continue, and you can see what we just showed you, mainly north and west of Nashville for the beginning stages of the morning. Here's 5 o'clock through 9, heavier rainfall coming down, and at times there could already be some isolated flooding or flash flooding beginning in a few areas. We catch a break late morning into early afternoon. This is when we don't want to see sunshine. If we do, that could crank up some thunderstorms along this line that moves in. Our heaviest rainfall begins to track into our western counties after around dinner time. By 7 o'clock, it's close to Clarksville and Hopkinsville, and then by about 8, 9 o'clock, rolls through Nashville. This initial push of that rain, not only going to be heavy, but thunder, lightning, damaging wind can't be ruled out, small size hail, and even the possibility of a few embedded spin-up tornadoes cannot be ruled out either. Had we had rain all day and those higher rainfall totals to the south, the potential for severe weather wouldn't have been as high as it now looks to be for tomorrow. We've got a lot of Middle Tennessee now in a category 2 out of 5. That's elevated here too. We have made a little bit higher for us here today. You can see most of Middle Tennessee is under that risk, which does include every type of severe weather, including a slightly elevated possibility we could see a few spin-up tornadoes. Now, severe weather is not a guarantee. Flooding is not a guarantee, but those are the timelines of things if they were to come about. Wind still a problem, and flooding is still the main concern across all of the viewing area, but that thunderstorm possibility late in the day, we're going to watch it very carefully over the course of the next 24 hours. 48 degrees later on this afternoon, very cold for your Valentine's Day, but no rain, rain-free for our daylight hours. Mix of sun and clouds, tomorrow 64, and then we cool down into Sunday. Temperatures in the 40s, and we could even sneak in a few flurries in the Cumberland Plateau. Stay tuned for more updates throughout the rest of today and tomorrow before this system approaches.